So what's up, guys? Today in this wait, guys, did you hear that? I don't know if you heard that because the sound yeah, the sound keeps getting rent. I don't know why, but okay. So guys, we're going to make an AI in Scratch today. It's episode 1, so I'm gonna turn off my volume and and let's just start. So okay. So guys, in this video we're just gonna create the basics. So start by creating a sprite, or you can paint the sprite too if you want. Okay, I think I'm just gonna choose a sprite, and I'm not gonna do anything sus, guys, don't worry. This looks normal, right? Come on, guys. This looks normal. No. Wait. I think it's like this. No. What did I do to this thing? Read this. I'm just gonna use the Scratch Cat. Okay, guys, so go to the stage and get A when green flag clicked. Then get A, broadcast and wait, and click on new message. And then, guys, the name of this message is going to be game dash setup. Okay, so go to the cat or your AI, let's just call this AI, and when I receive game slash setup, oh guys, you can just click on rename message. Don't do this game slash setup, sorry guys. Just name it game slash reset. Sorry. You can delete this my variable. Okay, when I receive game slash reset, make a custom block, call this reset, and click on run without screen refresh. When I receive game reset, and here we are going to put go to x0, y0. What this is going to do is whenever the game starts, it's going to first do everything what's under this block. Yeah, so it goes to the center of the screen, and let's put a show block. That's everything. So the reset script for now. We'll add this script is going to be very long, guys. Yeah. So now go to the stage and take a broadcast and click on new message and call this game dash setup. Sorry guys, game slash start. Why do I always do game slash setup? I don't know. And when I receive game slash start, and guys, by the way, in the next video we're gonna, I don't know if we're going to do that in the next video, but we're going to do that in a different video. We're going to even make that it can answer questions like 1 plus 5 multiplied by 2 minus 3, and questions like that. That is going to be a very long video. I already showed you how to make a calculator in Scratch, videos about that, but that wasn't that good, so I made it better, and I'm gonna show how to make it in a different video. Okay, and when I receive game/start, we need to do, we need to do ask blank and wait. You can just write here something or just leave it blank. So guys, we have this answer thing. This is what the player says, but it needs to be a question. It's a question, because the player asks a question. So make a new variable, call this question, and make it for this sprite only, or make it for all sprites, and set question to answer. Okay, then like what can we do? For this video, let's just, I said that we're going to do the basics. We're not going to create like things that very complicated things, but yeah, it's a very short, and it was, I think, a very short video. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.